Have you ever wished you could have a conversation with a computer that understands you like a human? Well, that day is here. ChatGPT is a revolutionary technology. It allows you to talk to a machine in a way that feels natural and intuitive. This is a major leap forward in artificial intelligence. ChatGPT can answer your questions, write stories, and even compose poems. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips. But how does it work? ChatGPT is powered by a large language model. Imagine a vast library filled with books, articles, and code. This is how ChatGPT learns to understand and generate human-like text. It's trained on an enormous data set of text and code. This allows it to learn patterns and relationships in language, just like we learn from the world around us. Imagine teaching a computer to understand human language. It's like trying to teach a dog to speak English. But that's what large language models do. They are complex algorithms that can process and understand information from massive amounts of text data. They are the engines behind ChatGPT, giving it the ability to understand and respond to your requests. These models use a special kind of neural network called a transformer. Transformers are designed to analyze sequences of data like words in a sentence. They learn to predict the next word in a sequence based on the words that came before it. This allows them to generate coherent and grammatically correct text. ChatGPT learns in two main stages. The first stage is supervised learning. Think of it like teaching a child to read. We show ChatGPT examples of text and tell it what each word means. In this stage, human trainers provide ChatGPT with conversations and rate its responses. This helps the model learn to generate responses that are relevant and appropriate. The second stage is reinforcement learning. Imagine playing a game with a child. We give them feedback on their moves, helping them learn the rules and get better. In this stage, ChatGPT is rewarded for generating responses that are rated highly by human trainers. This iterative process of feedback and improvement helps ChatGPT become more sophisticated over time. Section 4. Weaving words with artificial intelligence. Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT generates such human-like text? It's a fascinating process. It starts with you typing in a prompt. This could be a question, a request, or even just a few words. ChatGPT then uses its knowledge to predict the most likely words that should follow. It's like a game of digital Mad Libs but on a much grander scale. ChatGPT then strings these words together, forming coherent sentences and paragraphs. The process continues until ChatGPT has generated a complete response. It's like watching a master weaver at work, intricately connecting threads of language to create a beautiful tapestry of words. Section 5. The power and peril of AI conversation. ChatGPT is a powerful tool with many potential benefits. It can help us automate tasks, improve communication, and even create new forms of art. Imagine having a conversation with a historical figure or getting personalized tutoring from an AI expert. However, like any powerful technology, ChatGPT also has its limitations. It's important to remember that ChatGPT is a machine. It doesn't truly understand the world in the same way that humans do. This can lead to errors, biases, and even harmful outputs if not used responsibly. Section 6. A universe of possibilities. The future of AI chatbots is full of potential. As technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated and capable AI companions. Imagine AI assistants that can help us with complex tasks, provide personalized education, or even offer emotional support. However, with these advancements come important ethical considerations. We must ensure that these technologies are developed and used responsibly for the benefit of all humankind. The future of conversation is here, and it's up to us to shape it wisely.